All right, this is second grade math, lesson 6-2, modeling to subtract 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. So let's take a look here. There are 22 students drawing pictures. 4 students finished drawing. How many students are still drawing? Use place value blocks to help you solve. Show the tens and ones you have. So what we're going to do on this one here, our real equation is right here, 22 minus 4. So what we're going to do is do 22 minus 4, okay? So I have 22, 10, 20, 1, 2. Okay, we have 22. We have to subtract 4. I cannot subtract this. So I can do 1, 2, but I can't subtract 4 ones. So we have to unbundle and regroup this into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can subtract it. Okay, now I can subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 ones and 1 bundle of 10s. So 1 10 plus 8 ones equals 18. So that is how we rebundle on this one when we need to subtract. All right, let's head to the back page here and take a look at our comic. All right, find 32 minus 5. Show 32. There are not enough ones to subtract, right? We have 5 ones and 2 ones. We cannot take 2 ones and subtract 5 from that. So we are going to have to regroup. So we're going to regroup 1 10 as 10 ones. So we take one group of 10, make it into 10 ones. And then we added that over here. So one group becomes 12, and the next group becomes 2. All right, so subtract the ones, then subtract the 10s. And there are 2 10s and 7 ones left, so we know our answer is going to be 27. All right, do you understand? Show me. Why do you need to regroup when you subtract 32 minus 5? Well, we know that there are not enough ones in 32 to subtract 5. So I'm just going to write that. There are only 2 ones in 32. And we have 5 here, so we have to unbundle one of those groups of 10. So let's take a look at this. We have an equation. It's 44 minus 9. 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9. Can I take away 9? Nope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. We have 4 bundles of 10. I'm going to take one of those away, and I'm going to add that over here, because 4 plus 10 right here will equal 14. Now I can do it. 14 minus 9 is 5, and 3 minus nothing is 3. So again, if we want to draw it out, we can do that also. So we had 44, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, minus 9. So we have to unbundle them, just like we did over there. Okay? So again, this will get easier and easier as we do it. So let's take a look at this one. 23 minus 5. So we have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, and I need to subtract 5. I can subtract 1, 2, 3, but I can't do it the other way. So I'm going to unbundle, make a group of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can subtract 5 from here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have one group of 10, and let's count how many ones I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is going to be 18. But let's take a look at how we do it up here. I have 23 minus 5. 3 minus 5. Can I do that? I cannot. So I'm going to cross both of them out. I have 2 bundles of 10 over here. I'm going to take one bundle and leave it there and move this other one and add it over here. 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 1 minus 0 is 1, so I have an answer of 18. So again, we're just regrouping these. Okay, 35 minus 8. 10, 20, 30, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need to subtract 8 from here. I need to subtract 8. 1, 2, I can't do it, so I am going to have to unbundle one of those and regroup it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? All right, now I'm subtracting 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see how many ones I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones and 2 tens. So I know my answer is going to be 27. Let's take a look at it here. 35 minus 8. 5 minus 8. If I have 5, can I subtract 8? 1, 2, 3. No, I can't. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to borrow a group from over here. So I had 3 groups of 10. I'm now going to take 2 groups of 10 and move one of these groups of 10 over here and add it. 5 plus 10 equals 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7, and 2 minus nothing is 2. So it's the same as what we draw on our pictures. Okay, let's go ahead and go to our independent practice page here. And let me get my tape going. Go over to our next page here. Make sure this is lined up for our video. And we're going to go ahead and do this step by step on here. We can draw the picture first, and then we can draw it up at the top. So I have 63 minus 2. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 63. 1, 2, 3. Minus 2. Now look at this. 1, 2. I didn't have to regroup. I could do it here. So I have 1, 61. So take a look at it here. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, I can do that. I have 1 left over, and 6 minus nothing is 6. We just drop it straight down. Okay? Now let's take a look at this one. 91 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 91. And now I need to subtract 7. I only have 1 1. I need to subtract 7 ones. So I'm going to have to unbundle one of these and bring it over and make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I can subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see how many ones I have left yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 ones. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know my answer is going to be 84, but we're still going to show our work up here. 91 minus 7. 1 minus 7 is not going to work. So I'm going to take my 9 groups of 10, and I'm going to take one of them away, and I'm going to add one of them over here. So 1 plus 10 is 11. 11 minus 7 is 4, and 8 minus nothing is 8. All right, let's look at our next one here. 66 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 66 minus 9. So I have 6 here. Can I take away 9 from that? Nope, I'm going to have to regroup. So I'm going to have to take one of these bundles of 10, bring it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I need to subtract 9 from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's see how many I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 left over. And how many ones? How many groups of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know my answer is going to be 57. My difference is 57, but let's come up here and regroup it. 6 minus 9 is not going to work, so I'm going to have to borrow a group of 10 over here. And every time I do that, I add that group of 10 here. 6 plus 10, I know, is 16. 16 minus 9 is 7, and 5 minus nothing is 5. We just drop it straight down. All right, let's take a look at our last one here. 52 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. 52 minus 6. I only have 2 ones, and I need to subtract 6 ones. So I'm going to have to unbundle and bring it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I need to subtract 6 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see how many ones I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 left over. How many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is going to be 46. We're going to do it again up here. 52 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is not going to work. So we have to change that 5 into a 4 because we're taking over one group of 10. Add that one group of 10 over here. 2 plus 10 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, and 4 minus nothing is 4. All right. Phew, that was a lot of brain exercise there. All right, let's take a look at number 8. Write the missing numbers in the boxes. Draw a picture to show and explain your work. So we're doing algebra. Love algebra because it is a math mystery. What numbers will complete the subtraction equations? So we have something minus 8 equals 17. What we do is we just take these two here and we're going to add them together. 17 plus 8. So 7 plus 8 I know is 15. I have to regroup it because I can only have one number in the ones place column. 1 plus 1 is 2, so I get an answer of 25. So 25 minus 8 equals 17. Now we got to figure out the next one. 34 minus something equals 29. Let's see, I'm going to do a number line. 34 minus something equals 29. Let's see, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29. So I subtracted 1 each time, and that got me to 29, and I subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that 34 minus 5 equals 29. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at our last page. We're just cranking through this lesson. Again, feel free to pause the video as needed, and you can use that to check your work as well. All right, let's take a look at number 9. There are 23 students playing tag. 9 students go home. 9 students go. We know we're going to be subtracting. How many students are still playing tag? So we know our equation is going to be 23 minus 9. So let's take a look at this. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 I can't do. So we're going to have to regroup. I'm going to take a bundle of 10. I have 2 bundles of 10. Now I have 1 bundle of 10, and I'm going to add that bundle of 10 over here. 3 plus 10 is 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So we have a total of 14 students that are still playing tag. All right. There are 67 books on the shelf. 67. Dion takes 5 of them. Lets us know takeaway is 5. How many books are left on the shelf? So our equation is going to be 67 minus 5. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. Oh, look, I could do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 left. Okay. Do I have to regroup on that one? Nope. So I'm going to leave those boxes. My regrouping box is empty. And 6 minus nothing is 6. So there's just 62 books left on the shelf. We did not have to regroup that one. All right, let's take a look at our higher order thinking. Okay, what mistake did Aaliyah make when she subtracted 72 minus 4? Show how to fix her mistake. So 72 minus 4. So let's take a look. 2 minus 4 is not 2. So right there, she didn't do the correct subtraction. Okay, let's see what we need to do it properly. 2 minus 4, that won't work. So I'm going to have to make this a group of 6, take 1 bundle over and add it. 2 plus 10 is 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 6 minus nothing is 6. So what she did wrong, she did not subtract properly. She did not subtract, I'm going to say correctly. And then we know how to fix the mistake. All right, so here's our assessment. I'm going to have you pause the video. We'll do the assessment and then come back and you can check your answers. Okay, let's take a look at what we need to do. You can draw place value blocks to model each subtraction. Would you regroup to show the difference, yes or no? Is it asking to find the answers? Do we have to find the difference? No, it's just asking if we need to regroup. So what we're going to do right now is underline all the numbers in the ones place. Okay, underline all the numbers in the ones place. So 29, 9's in the ones place. 30, 0's in the ones place. 77, 7's in the ones place. 55 minus 5, that's in the ones place. Now, if we can not regroup. If they make sense, we don't have to do it. 9 minus 3. Can we do 9 minus 3? Yes. So do we have to regroup? No, we don't have to regroup. 0 minus 0. Can we do that one? Do we have to regroup? No. 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 I can't do because this number is smaller than the number in the ones place. So yes, we have to regroup. And then 5 minus 5, yeah, that works. So do we have to regroup? No, we do not. All right, great job, everybody.